Hi, I've been using the Jabra 250 every workday in the last months. I bought them with my own money, so no sponsor here, just a hobby review. Let's start with music. Sound quality better than average. Clear mids, okay bass, but nothing mind-blowing. The real star is the microphone. It blocks background noise so well. I started using it for voice over recording. Other important thing, when a call starts, the headset switches to the speech mode automatically. It's very convenient, I must say. Active noise cancelling, I call it 15% ANC. It softens shaky coworkers, and the air conditioner just enough to help you focus, but nowhere near Bose territory. After about 2 hours, my ears are begging for a break because the air parts are small and tight. However, the build quality is excellent. Solid plastic, well finished details, glowing Teams inductor looks professional. And I must say I love dual device functionality, about audio jumps from phone to Teams without any clicks. Just answer the call. But there's a catch. The headset is tendered. Unplug it from USB-C cable and you have silence, because there is no power supply. Their power is going from cable, and that's all. If you only have one USB-C port that power your laptop, maybe you need adapter, like here I have it one, because usually it's USB-C. Yes. Okay, so the Teams button, usually I don't use it. It's really nice made, like I said, like everything here, but usually when I use it, I do it accidentally and I end calls without wanted to end it. The lifting mic is nice functionality to auto mute, yeah, when it's up. A clever feature, and mildly annoying, because I usually forgot when I'm muted here and I trying to unmute myself in Teams on the beginning, but on the more than I use it well. For me, the problem was too with auto pause. On the Bose, I have something like when I take my earphones from my head, that they stop playing music. Here, when I connect USB-C, yeah, then I have auto connecting to laptop and auto connecting to device on Bluetooth. And when I hearing the music and lift my headphones from my head and left them on the desk, they still playing music. Of course, there is nothing big of it, but I was thinking they on this brand I could have something like that. And sometimes you're going on your office or anywhere, and the music, someone can hear our your talk or anything from your earphones. So this is very bad for me, because I'm unaware usually about it. So what more I can say, that headphones are great for people who do regular meetings, but not too many. Remember, they are not super comfortable for long sessions. When I touch my finger, I can feel that something hard is inside, and when you have it on your ears, that hard thing, it's really annoying. So if you are a frequent traveler, gamer, or audiophile, you should skip this one. It's not for you. Great for short sessions, and at full price it's hard to recommend, but if your company paying for it or you catch a solid discount but really solid, it might be worth of it. Also the case maybe don't look fancy. I didn't like it on the beginning, but it perfectly sized and easily fits into backpack. It's like you see, I didn't try do anything more with it. I just put it like that, and this how I usually put them, and that's all, without trying to do anything special. And I can put them with really small pack. And to the end, what we have rock solid mic, less comfort, like I said, so you cannot use it too long, but they doing their job. Light ANC, mega integration with Teams. I must say that many functions work just like that. And that's the Evolve 2 50.